Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the previous video, we learned how to use the select statement to fetch data from a table. In today's video, we will take it one step further and learn how to filter data using the where clause in SQL. Okay, let's get started. Before we start, let's quickly recall the customer table we have been using. It has these columns, okay? Customer ID, first name, last name, age, and country. And this is the basic select command. Select star from the customers. Got it? Now, what happens? This displays all the customers from the table. But what if we only want specific records, like for example, the customers from the USA or the customers above the certain particular age? Okay, that's where the where clause helps us. Got it? So the where clause, what it will do, it filters the rows based on a conditions. Okay, this is the here is the syntax for this one. Select column names from what? Table name. Okay. Where here we have to write the conditions. Got it? Now let's write. Okay. Select. We'll write the first name. We'll copy it from here only. And we'll write last name and country. From which table? Customer table. Okay. Where? Country is USA. Is equal to USA. Okay. How much rows we should get it now? Two rows. For customer ID, one and two. Shall I run this one now? Let me run. Okay, error here. This will display only those customers where country is USA. Correct? Only two customers are there. Got it? Now, so we can use different like comparison operators inside the where clause. Okay, like we have equal to is there like this, and greater than, and less than, greater than equal to, and less than equal to, and we have the not equal to. Not equal to we write in this way or this way. Okay, let's take that in the example. Now, what we will do? Select first name and we'll take the age. Okay, from customers table where we have to write age is greater than 30. Okay, this shows the customers older than 30. Let me run. Sorry, I have written less than, right? Okay, only one person is there whose age is greater than 30. Okay, let's look at another example for the not equal to. Okay, We have selected customer name and we'll take country here from the customers table where country not equal to USA. Okay, let me run. Okay, so here it shows the customers who are not from the USA. Here you can see except USA, everything is there. Here all the countries are there except USA. Okay, so if you found this helpful, please hit the like button. Okay, subscribe to my channel for more SQL lessons. Okay, and comment below which SQL topic you want next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next videos.